Shift your attention to breaking updates coming in. All airports are under maximum security now. A nationwide high alert has been given for all airports. So the Central Intelligence Agency have issued a terror alert for the period of 22nd of September to the 2nd of October 2025. In response, the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security under the Ministry of Civil Aviation has issued an advisory on the 4th of August directing maximum security measures across all airports across the country. So for the passengers, this would mean longer queues at the airport. The security checks are going to take longer than usual. My colleague Isha is joining us with the update. Isha, what is the intel suggesting? What are the details? How is this going to impact the passengers?
Right, Pratibha. So this is the security wing of the civil aviation, which has come in and issued this particular warning. This is the Bureau of Civil Aviation, which has come forward and said that all airports, helipads, aircraft training institutions will remain on high alert as the intelligence agencies have intercepted a potential threat from miscreants or anti-social elements, and that is why this particular threat has been issued. What it essentially means is that security will be heightened across all airports across India, and this is also between 22nd of September to the 2nd of October, which essentially is a time of heightened air travel, as it does include periods of Durga Puja and Independence Day. So people are going to be traveling to and fro a lot, but also all the security agencies on the ground, BSF and other airport authorities have also been instructed to work together in coherence, so no miscreant can attack any airport or cause any damage to the airports, is what we're being told. In fact, as you were also pointing out, this definitely does mean longer queues for the passengers. This just means that people will have to adhere to more security guidelines. CCTV checks will also be ramped up, and this essentially means that there is a high alert on all airports, airports, helipads, even flying institutions is what the high alert is on. And this particular warning came on the 4th of August, and this warning is spoken about a possible threat from miscreants or antisocial elements. Back to you.
Okay, all right. So the alert has been triggered, keeping in mind the sensitive occasions that are going to come up in that period, including the Independence Day as well as Durga Puja. Isha, thank you for joining us with those details. Quick break now. We'll be right back.